Today I'm working on a special project for Ashley. When Ashley washes our laundry, we always hang dry it, and up until now, we've been hang drying it inside the house on a temporary clothesline. We have this clothesline outside, well, the post at least. This is an old T-post clothesline that was here when we moved in. It's old, it's crusty, it's missing its rope, but we're gonna bring it back to life and make use of it. Now you know me, I love my Skyline pulley clothesline system. I do plan on buying one of those. I want to install one of those, but I'm not ready yet. This is already here. It's only going to cost a few dollars to get it working, so this will be our temp clothesline until we can get a better one installed later on. So all I'm doing is hitting it with my wire brush drill attachment to get all this moss and gunk off it, and then we're going to paint these posts really quick to just make them look new again. The post looks so much better already. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's an old clothesline, you know, but
it's probably been here for like 40 years.
Yeah. Ashley's clearing out some brush. We got to get rid of all this stuff that's too close. That's actually not too bad, but you're gonna get rid of some more?
I want to get over there next to that post.
I don't know what they had on here, but
I think they had those wires on them that I pulled out of here.
Oh. We got some leftover black spray paint, so we're going to paint it black just to clean it up, keep it from rusting.
Make it look better.
Make it look good. The wind is blowing as soon as I start spraying. I'm just trying to spread it out as far as I can before it gets empty.
Yeah. I think that's the only can we have.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I bought it for that gas line. Oops, sorry worm.
Maybe we can do the whole thing. There they are, all painted up. They came out really good, flat black. Way better than what they looked like.
They look sharp.
They look like brand new clothesline posts. Nice. And now we're gonna put the lines on. We'll show you what we got.
We picked up 3 of these wire rope kits. We're gonna be using this for the clothesline. Our clothesline can take 5 strands, but we're only going to be doing 3. And this is what it looks like. So let's go hook it up. So this vinyl coated cable kit comes with this hardware. And hopefully we can get that around there. Let's see. I think I can twist it sideways a little bit. So let me bend it, see how I offset it.
Yeah.
So hopefully we can do that enough to get it in there. There we go. And this little piece just protects the wire from rubbing on the metal and breaking. Alright, so there it is. I got 2 clamps on there, and that's all it is. So we're going to do the same thing on the other end. Alright, we're all done, but I have this excess that I have to cut off. So I'm going to be cutting it off with my fencing pliers, and these have some cutters right on the side. Ouch! So you just put the wire in, and but we're going to do it up here. Just like that. Just make sure you clip the right one. There it is. And just like that, the clothesline restoration is complete. A quick wire brushing, a coat of black paint, and some new wire. It's good as new, ready to use.